This video will show you how to assemble and connect your CM18445 console and CM18245 Deskset. Let's begin by assembling your devices. You can assemble your CM18445 console and CM18245 Deskset into a low or high tabletop position. Both devices share the same assembling method. We will use the CM18445 console as an example. First, flip your device over. If you want to place the device in high tabletop position, insert the fixed tabs on the mounting bracket into the bottom slots. If you want to place the device in low tabletop position, insert the fixed tabs on the mounting bracket into the top slots. We will use the CM18445 console's low tabletop position as an example. Insert the bracket into the slots. When you hear a click sound, the bracket is firmly installed. The device will stand on the flat surface steadily if the bracket is installed firmly. You've now successfully assembled your device for tabletop use. The same assembling method applies on the other tabletop positions for your CM18445 console and CM18245 Deskset.